Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for the Monocacy River near Frederick. From this morning until Friday morning. At 1 a.m. Thursday, the stage was 10.6 feet and rising. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Rise above flood stage by late this morning and crest near 15.9 feet by early this evening. The river will fall below flood stage by overnight tonight. Impact at 16.0 feet. Much of Pine Cliff Park and Riverwest Park in Frederick are flooded. Parky's Town Community Park is also flooded with water approaching the parking lot. Waters are also approaching the Frederick City Wastewater Treatment Plant and the Ballinger Creek Wastewater Treatment Plant. Significant backwater flooding is occurring. Several roads will be closed along the river and adjoining creeks. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 16.0 feet on March 7, 2011. National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a flood warning for urban areas and small streams in Adams County, Lancaster County, York County until 8:30 a.m. At 2:36 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated heavy rain was beginning to move out of the area. However, runoff continues to cause area creeks to rise. Flooding is expected early this morning on streams and poor drainage areas across Adams, York, and Lancaster counties. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Most flooding deaths occur in automobiles. Turn around, don't drown. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of floods and flash floods. Please report flooding to the National Weather Service in State College through Twitter or Facebook. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. The flood watch continues moving into the Delaware Valley. Rainfall in excess of 1 inch will likely fall across portions of the